Yo, what's up? It's Squish with Squish Makes, a selection where I have my friends do the commentary for the things that I make. Like, subscribe, and enjoy.
How long is this?
It's like
40 minutes.
what?
This video.
No. It's like 6.
6 minutes?
Seven.
Yeah.
7.
You cooked a burger in 7 minutes?
No, I had it. I trimmed it.
Oh, trimmed it. No, I was
Let me say that.
Yeah.
Hey, this nigga crazy. He trying to make these burgers. Trying to come up with this bitch thinking we in fag ass some shit.
Oh, we recording?
Yeah.
No.
Right now?
Yeah, bro.
This is a camera?
Whatever that
No,
is.
bro.
Honey
This
mustard,
is
ketchup. I
mine.
don't know what
Oh.
the fuck.
Nigga, you fucking it
weird.
up. Come on, pay attention.
We got a little patty. Boom. You feel?
What the fuck?
Hold on.
Oh, he put
Oh.
a burger inside
So
of
we
the
gonna fold this motherfucker up. Alright.
That's some next level shit right there.
You didn't bring this.
Yeah, that shit wasn't working.
Think you should use eggs.
Damn, just threw the meat on that bitch.
You should actually have did what?
Use eggs.
Yeah, you should have used... Nah, because he would have had to put bread kernels in there.
That would have been a fat ass burger, bro.
Nigga, that is a fat ass burger.
Pizza box.
I don't know how the
upstairs.
fuck you gonna cook that.
Aluminum foil.
So I did. I domed it.
Ah,
Yeah. I put some over it. I season that, you know.
This shit look like it's gonna be fire. I'm gonna have to grab one. Not gonna lie to you.
grab what?
One of those. You should have put that on like Snap or something. I bet it would have made like the Discovery page, bro. Or some shit like that. Nobody ain't, they not gonna see. They gonna you just making Snap opening that bitch up.
Who's that,
Burger
Nick?
inside a burger. They'd be like, yo.
That's Ty. Nick was sitting in the back.
He fucked up the video. Nigga put the sauce right there.
Y'all wouldn't notice the only thing. I'm like, oh, damn. Whatever, fuck it.
Damn, what the fuck? Is you high?
They gonna look at his ass and be like, bro, what were you thinking?
And then sneeze while he was pouring the shit.
What is that?
That's the tender.
Oh, you put tenders on there too?
I think you can. Wait, I think it's close to the end. But you can see him pick that bitch back up.
Yo, I'd be bored as shit. Oh shit.
I'm trying to see what he did.
Bro, you gonna have to make me one of those.
That shit look dangerous as hell.
I'm swear.
That look like the.
Did you eat it?
I had to split it up, yeah.
That look like that burger, Good Burger. The people they got.
The Mondo burger.
The Mondo burger.
That's crazy.
Oh shit.
Had to grab the water. I was gonna be thirsty.
Man, I wouldn't even split it. I would just bite it through. I could do it. I could do that. That looked like a fucking Krabby Patty.
I was looking at it. I was like, yeah.
That's that burger.
Forgot this nigga. This nigga don't know what we talking about, bro. Gotta get you a sharp ass knife.
Right.
Nigga, those knives been through it all.
Blood.
Where?
I mean, like, yo. I need one of those. Dead ass.